Keep your eyes closed. Sit down. Watch your head. One more. One more. Okay, wait. On three, you could open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
That's beautiful, George.
And that's just the start. I bought an amazing property in Brazil.
Brazil?
Yes. Virgin forest for hundreds of miles. Mahogany. Raw and beautiful. Completely untouched. Can't find something like that in America.
You want that, don't you?
More than anything.
I never thought I'd find you. I never thought I'd find anyone. Really, you have no